Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the unboxing of Cortisol ELISA Kit. So as you can see, this is from the Biotech Cortisol ELISA Kit. This is the top view and this is the front view. So let me show you the sides. As you can see, this is the Cortisol Kit from Calbiotech. You can see the reference number here, CO368S. You can see the lot number. You can see the manufacturing and the expiry date here. It has a standard expiry of 18 months. It is a 96 well plate ELISA kit. It has an optimal storage temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. As you can see, this kit contains the coated well plates, the control and the standard state. Then we have the ELISA conjugate, the wash buffer, the stop solution, the substrate, then the certification of analysis. We have the expiry and the manufacturing date over here. Then we have the manufacturing address. So this is the content present on the side. Then we have you can see it is manufactured in USA. In California we have the manufacturing address here. Then let me show you the other sides. So let me unbox this for you. So as you can see on the top, we have the Calbiotech IFE brochure. So let me see, this is the IFE brochure for the cortisol kit. So as you can see, this is the Calbiotech, the cortisol ELISA. You can see the catalog number present here. So this leaflet contains all the necessary instructions to perform this ELISA kit, and this is the cortisol ELISA kit for the Calbiotech brand. So it has to be used with the ELISA reader, and it contains all the standards and the procedures to perform the kit. So let me keep this aside. Then we have the certification of analysis. As you can see, this is the certification of analysis for the cortisol for serum ELISA. You can see all the expiry dates with the lot numbers are present. So let me keep this aside. Then we have the streptoviridin coated well plates, the 96 well plates. So this is the site where all the reagents are mixed. So then after that, we do have the couple of reagents present in the kit. So yeah, this is the reagents which comes with this kit. So as you can see, we have the cortisol control 1, then we have the cortisol control 2, we have the enzyme conjugate, then we have the cortisol standard 1, then the cortisol standard 2, then we have the cortisol standard 3, then I think this would be the cortisol standard 4, then we have the cortisol standard 5, and at last we have the cortisol standard 6. So apart from that, there are a couple of other reagents like the stop solution, then we have the cortisol biotin reagent, then we have the cortisol assay diluent, then we have the TMB substrate, then we have the wash concentrate. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the cortisol ELISA kit from Calbiotech. As you can see, this kit comes with 96 well plate streptoviridin coated wells. Then we have the positive control 1, 2, and then we have the enzyme conjugate. We have 6 different standards: standard 1, standard 2, standard 3, standard 4, standard 5 and standard 6. Then we have the stop solution, then we have the biotin reagent, then we have the cortisol assay diluent, the TMB substrate, and at last we have the wash concentrate. It also comes with the standard IFE brochure, the certification of analysis. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the Calbiotech Cortisol ELISA Kit. Thank you.